Okay, so I tried this slime liquor and I loved it. I haven't tried this one yet. This flavor is strawberry, and I'm not the biggest fan of strawberry favorites. I promise I haven't opened it. I haven't opened it yet. It comes open easily. I promise. It's like, hang on, let me find the thing. It's still full and everything. Oh god. I'm actually kind of scared because strawberries are already sour enough, and blue rasp's pretty sour. It's not as sour as I thought it was going to be. It's actually not that bad.